Hello everyone. In this video let we see the function of human brain. The brain is a complex organ that plays a vital role in many of the body's functions. It is the center of the nervous system and is responsible for processing information received from the senses, controlling movement, regulating bodily functions, and facilitating communication between different parts of the body. Some of the key functions of the brain include 1. Sensory processing. 2. Motor control. 3. Memory and learning. 4. Emotion and behavior. 5. Homeostasis. 6. Communication. Overall, the brain is a complex and multifaceted organ that is critical to our survival and well-being.